All right, here's one of our more popular selling styles, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. These would be considered a sport coupe. The two-door hardtops were. This one has had a repaint with a color change. As you can see now, red with white stripes going up over that cowl induction hood. As far as the stripes also, they are painted on and cleared over. It's not a vinyl. Bright work up in the front, you can see here, is in nice shape. Underneath the hood, powered by a 350 Chev V8 engine that is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. This was a factory AC car. Not all the components are on this car yet, and we'll pop the hood. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it running everything here shortly. But until then, if you want to check out the still pictures, I always tell you where to find those. Those can be found at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, I did note a couple little spots, some imperfections in the paint, if you can see that stand out there. And then there was one other one up here, kind of where the paint's cracked a little bit. And then there's a spot on the rear fender I'll point out when we get there too. Also noted in the service inspection on this one, we run our cars through, the stabilizer bar up front, the bushings, could use a little TLC, I think tie rod end links possibly. So if you wanted to take this car to the next level, whether it be a little bit of paint work or a little bit of mechanical, and you like to tinker on them yourself, could use just a little TLC. And or if you want to drive it the way it is, you could do that also. As you can see, it's riding on Riddler wheels, 20-inch with Falcon radials. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's that one little dinger I was talking about on the rear fender. Dual exhaust, and as you can see, the chrome nice in the rear of this. And you can see trunk picks, underside picks. Again, those can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As far as the driver's side, did not really notice a whole lot. As far as the nicks, dings, or scratches on this side, see it's pretty straight up and down this side also. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Got black vinyl, bench seat up front, column shift, rear seat, front seat, both appear to be free of rips or tears, much wear of any kind. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See, it starts easily. I did try the wipers. Wiper worked. Radio works on this one. The one thing also noted was the fuel gauge. I believe was in op, so I could need a new sending unit. I'll give you a heads up about that. And the dash has the pad on it here, and there's a crack there. That was really about all I seen. I think one little spot maybe in the speaker. No, that was about it from when I was taking pictures. And in the still pictures, there are pictures with that dash pad off, so you can see it. Slip around to the back, nice little rumble coming out of that 350. There's also floor mats that go with it that I just had out, so you can see the carpeting in the pictures. There'll be a couple floor mats up in the front there also. Nice idle, sounds good. Again, 350 paired with a turbo 400 automatic. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get these hood pins out, pop the hood, see how that engine bay looks. All right, so you can see real cowl induction hood. Still has some of the AC components. There's the compressor there. So up to the firewall. And power steering, power brakes. Other than that, looks pretty stock with the exception of a few of the components missing and valve covers, air cleaner. So there you go. Looking for one you can drive the way it is, maybe tinker on a little bit, take to the next level. 1972 Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.